Hey, my name is Kyle Hodge, and today I'm going to be explaining to you how to uninstall and install motherboards.
The next step is installing the CPU. You want to make sure and lock the CPU into place by pressing down the latch. You'll hear it click and you'll know that the CPU is locked into place. After that, you don't want to put the CPU with the heatsink automatically, because there's a small amount of space in between the CPU and the heatsink that you're going to have to fill with thermal paste. Now, for a socket 939 processor like the one here, this is how you apply the thermal paste. You spread a little in the middle, and make sure it's not going to be too much, so that when you place the heatsink on, that it's going to be spilling over the sides. You want to put just enough in the middle so that when you place the heatsink on top, it'll spread evenly over the entire processor. And that is how you install the CPU.